Hi, it's Robert from Motorquip. Now today we're going to install this wet seat neoprene console cover, and I've chosen the black and white stitching to go with my Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2017. Now if you have the neoprene wet seat covers, this is a perfect match to go with them. I've yet to get the seat covers, but we're going to put this on. Now on one side they usually have a bit of a lip, and what will happen is the lip will go on the front part, and then it's a matter of just stretching it over, and it does take a little bit of force. It's not, I won't say it's real easy, but not too much force, just the right amount. They offer a good bit of comfort, so really nice to lean on, and also offer protection for the console's natural upholstery. And that's it, a perfect fit. Now remember, these are available in either black or grey, with your choice of about 6 different colour stitching, so please free to get hold of us if you're looking to order one.